So Turkey is a country I miss dearly, especially when it comes to their baklava, lokum, pomegranate juice, and amazing coffee. During my travels in Turkey, I discovered one for sure thing. They have great food. So today I'll be showcasing a popular side dish in Turkey that you can serve alongside any kind of meat. And that is called the bulgur pilav. So let's begin. So this right here is the bulgur. And basically they're wheat berries that have been cracked, parboiled, dried, and then packaged. And you can find this beautiful grain in pretty much any Middle Eastern or Persian grocer. And because it's parboiled, it's going to cook a lot quicker than regular whole wheat berries. So in my pilaf, I'm going to include some alliums. So here I have half a Spanish onion and 3 garlic cloves, and I'm gonna give these a quick fine chop. Now next is a very popular Turkish condiment we're going to use in our pilaf, which is a red pepper paste. Again, you can find this in a Middle Eastern grocery store, or you can make it yourself from scratch, but I'll leave that for another video. Now finally, we're ready to cook. So get a pan going on medium heat and add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then we'll add our onions and garlic, and we'll sweat these until they become translucent, upon which we'll add a pinch of salt. Now follow that with your red pepper paste, and we're gonna use about 2 tablespoons. Now make sure to mix that well, and then we're going to add a teaspoon of paprika and half a teaspoon of turmeric. And because spices are fat soluble, a great technique is to add butter at this stage, which is going to bloom these spices and release their natural oils, and at the same time it's going to prevent them from burning. One extra thing it does, of course, is the fat from the butter is going to help deliver the flavor from the spices to your palate. So definitely keep this technique in mind, especially when using spices in a grain dish. Now next we'll add our bulgur, and we'll begin mixing everything thoroughly. Now once it's all mixed through, then you're going to add your liquid of choice. Here I'm using water, but if you have a good chicken stock, then definitely use that. And you want just enough liquid to cover the bulgur by about 1 centimeter. You're not gonna need a lot in this recipe because the bulgur has been parboiled, so it will cook a lot quicker and it's going to need a lot less liquid. Finally, add a squeeze of lemon juice and a good pinch of salt. And a great general rule is to add 1 teaspoon of salt for every 1 cup of grains that you're cooking. So next, bring this to a vicious boil, and we're going to cover this and put it on our lowest setting possible, and we're going to cook it for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, remove the lid, fluff with a fork or a rubber spatula like I'm doing here, and then I'm going to add about 1/4 of a cup of chopped parsley. Now mix thoroughly, and here's our beautiful Turkish pilaf. Now this is amazing to eat by itself, but would be even better with some grilled chicken. So check out this video right here to learn how to make an ancient Iraqi grilled chicken dish without a grill. See you next time.